Ladies and gentlemen, hello, and thank you so much for tuning into this video. My name is Peyton. You're now tuned into my YouTube channel. If you like what you see in this video, feel free to hit that subscribe button. As you can see, I have an unboxing today. Now, nobody told me this, but apparently Amazon has the best selection for affordable clothes. I told myself that I was going to have a lot of shopping to do before I went back to work in the fall, and I decided to do it all online because I didn't know that Amazon had such a great selection. But after about an hour of roaming, here we are. This is the first thing we got. I don't know if it's just horrible lighting in my room, but this is supposed to be green. You guys tell me how it looks on the video, but it looks very gray to me. Either way, an essential base layer. So I'm not sure if I said this, but this is more of a essential pieces type of unboxing slash haul. You're not gonna see anything that's super flashy, like the stuff I would sometimes wear over the summer, not at work. But you're gonna see some essential stuff to wear throughout the fall and winter seasons. Not many patterns, not many designs, but stuff that can be worn weekly. I don't want to rip anything with my superhuman strength. I'm just gonna do this smart and get scissors. Just 1 second. Piece number 2. Wow, I can't even cut it with scissors. Guys, this is by no means an advertisement for Amazon, because, like, why would it be? But this is all really good stuff. Whoa! Come on now, look at this. So like I was saying, this is by no means an advertisement for Amazon, but I am going to gas them up a lot, because this is high quality stuff, at least from what I've opened so far, and it was not expensive at all. I mean, it's all relative with how much you want to spend on clothes. You know, when I told the price to my sister, she was like, that's ridiculous. But when I look at it, I'm like, that's pretty reasonable. My sister also spends way more money than I do. So that interaction really didn't make much sense now that I think about it. I'm sorry, Katie, I didn't mean to just air you out like that. Speaking of aired out, jeez, this thing is sealed. Yo, this is some good stuff I'm getting here. Look at this. That looks way too big for me. Nope, never mind. This is going to keep me so warm in the wintertime. Look at that. I could probably wear a t-shirt under this and get away with it. Please forgive me for not trying these things on, guys. I really don't have the time to put me trying them on over my talking in this video. I mean, this video might not even end up being public. Alright, and now we're opening the big box that has about 8 things in it. So this is where the video gets interesting. Like, listen, I know I'm not wearing my Sunday best right now, just chilling in the LeBron jersey, but when it comes to work, I'm trying to look good. This is nothing special. Plain white hoodie, but I feel like everyone needs one. It's also tragic that I think what my favorite piece of clothing is not a part of these. And I'm getting it tomorrow, so it's not going to be in the video, but one jacket will not make the difference, will it? Oh, see, this is where all the pants are. Plain black, chinos. Okay, what do I have here? What is this? I don't even know what I'm looking at here, and I ordered it. Oh, sweet. Little quarter zip. Beige, tan. Guys, I got green lighting in my room, so it might not look exactly the way it really does, but it's khaki, beige, tan, sand, whatever you want to call it. Never really done a video like this, so you guys are going to have to drop a like or a comment down below. Tell me what you think of it. I think I'm going to title it something kind of clickbaity, but also really true, like, the best place to get affordable clothing, parentheses, Amazon. Because, like, I'm not lying, it's very affordable, and it's obviously a great place to get clothes. Clearly, based on the things that I've opened already. Brown cargos. Now, I didn't know at the time, but these are pre-worn, so could be very bad. Let's take a look. Little creasage. Oh, sorry, I didn't even, yeah, there you go. Little creasage, you know, not dirty by any means. All shoes are gonna be creased, we know that, no big deal. Hopefully they're comfortable, because I take about 15,000 steps a day, so. I was really worried about these. They said they were already worn. They said used, so I didn't know what that meant. Obviously I know what it meant, but whatever. You gotta also remember, I don't know if you can see, but this is what I'm about back here. You know, so I'm trying to get as many, like, not completely neutral, but clothes that are, you know, easy to match with when it comes to sneakers. Because I got so many sneakers, I gotta wear as many as possible. Kind of darker khaki color dress pants are nice. This is probably the nicest pair of pants I was expecting. I mean, guys, this is a hell of a haul video. Do you see this? Like, this is, you know, no, not really olive. Just a faded forest green, maybe dark olive. I don't know if that, I think I might have just made that up, but either way. Again, I'm looking for stuff that I can wear with a multitude of colors. I'm not quite sure if I used that word correctly, but don't correct me if I said it wrong. But if I said it right, please go in the comments and be like, wow, I'm surprised you... No, don't say that, because then it makes me seem... Forget it. I probably should have saved the most exciting thing for last, but again, these are all, you know, core foundational pieces, but this is just a plain gray hoodie to wear underneath everything, you know, super cold in the wintertime, plain gray hoodie. Can never go wrong. I think this is just straight up Amazon Essentials. I lied, it's Hanes. I hope that this video finds the people that are looking to get some affordable clothes for work, school, whatever it may be, or just to look fly. Tell me if you want to see more unboxing / haul videos in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.
Wake up, phone jumping, I think that's the money calling. Look up at the sky, all I see is money falling. Give me this, give me that, give me everything. I want everything.